Hello everyone and happy Sunday! Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for taking the time to click on this video. My name is Talisha and I also go by CreativiTeeByT, and today I have some exciting big news to share with you. Today I am announcing my new series for this winter that I am super excited about. So I'm excited to announce my new series that will be starting on next Sunday. Yes, this coming Sunday, November 21st, 2021. And the series is titled The Virtual Me-Made Holiday Fashion Show. This is a series that consists of not only me, but 8 additional featured sewists and YouTubers. Yes, 8. The series will be running from Sunday, November 21st, like I said, this coming Sunday, and it will be going through December 26th, 2021. Each day at approximately 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, and 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, we will bring to you 2 different looks, except for the opening week when we will bring you 3 of holiday inspired fashion looks. And the reason for that will be explained during the show, and we will be covering all of the winter holidays. In addition to each Sunday, there will be a midweek fashion show, which will also be a reveal for the Little Red Dress project, coupled with a holiday theme that is incorporated within this series. And that day will be on Thursday, December 23rd. So how are we going to coordinate all of this? I'm glad you asked. Each week there will be a different holiday theme, and myself along with the featured collaborator sewists for that week will make a garment for that theme. At the end of each show, myself and the collaborator will announce who will be next in the lineup, which will follow us that following Sunday. The themes, however, will not be announced until that video is published, because we want to surprise you with the new theme that was picked for each show. So the purpose of this themed Me-Made Holiday Fashion Show is to inspire, to bring holiday excitement, to bring holiday inspiration, to bring holiday cheer, to have something to look forward to, and a way to change up the normal presentation of videos, and to simply have fun while forming new relationships with other sewists. I have had such a great time planning this with these other sewists, and I hope that you see that through the presentations of this show. So how did I pick my collaborators? Back in January, when I evaluated what I wanted my 2021 goals to be, one thing that I mentioned was that I wanted to collaborate with other sewists. I managed to do that a lot this year. In fact, someone even called me the collaborator queen. However, we are at the end of the year, and there are still some sewists that I have had conversations with about collaborating, and we didn't get around to it. And there's others that I just wanted to collaborate with and didn't get a chance to do it. So what I did was I made sure that I noted the sewists that I had those conversations with, to make sure that they were able to participate, because I definitely wanted them to take part in this series. And then there are so many others that I just randomly selected from my list of wanting to have a collaboration with, because there are only 7 themes, but everyone is just as important as the other. So I am just so excited to work with everyone during this series and to bring you this virtual Me-Made holiday fashion show. There will be a giveaway during this series in the form of a gift card and some other goodies. So make sure you pay attention to all of the different looks and themes and postings on all of the participants' channels so that you hear the details of that announcement. So you may want to know who is up for next week. Well, let me tell you. Next week, I myself will be posting a fashion show look along with the beautiful Crystal of Crystal Sews and Stuff and Heather of Textile Tailored Thoughts. So make sure you stay tuned to all 3 channels so that you can see what these looks are and why these looks were selected and what the theme is. Remember, the posting times are approximately 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, and 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The only way the videos wouldn't be posted at said times is if there is some type of technical issue, but it would definitely get posted that day. So I hope that you all join me and these other wonderful creators on this ride. I find this to be so exciting. I absolutely love putting together and coordinating events such as this. So I am super geeked, and I hope you enjoyed the content along the way. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you follow me along with the other sewists during the time of my Me Made virtual holiday fashion show. If you're with us, please take a pause for the cause and click the like button. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the gray notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all of my new and returning subscribers for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.